Hello everybody, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to another session. In this session we want to study a new structure. Okay? سلام دوستان، وقت شما بخیر. امیدوارم که حال شما خوب باشه. امروز قرار است که یک ساختار جدید رو با هم کار کنیم. اگر بخوایم به کسی بگیم بهتر است که این کار رو انجام بدین، از این ساختار استفاده میکنیم. You had better plus verb, base form of the verb. از you had better استفاده میکنیم جمع فعل. یعنی شکل اصلی فعل استفاده میکنیم. You had better شکل اختصار شدهش میشه you'd better. You'd better. Okay? Let's practice with some examples. You'd better go. You'd better go. بهتر است که بروی. You'd better go.
You'd better go.
You'd better watch out. You'd better watch out. You'd better watch out. بهتر است که حواست جمع باشه.
You better watch out.
You'd better speak. You'd better speak. بهتر است که صحبت کنی.
You better speak.
You'd better learn. You'd better learn. بهتر است که یاد بگیری.
You'd better learn something.
اگر بخوایم منفی کنیم و بگیم بهتر است که این کار رو نکنیم، بعد از you'd better not استفاده میکنیم. You'd better not cry. You'd better not cry. بهتر است که گریه نکنیم.
You better not cry.
You better not cry.
You better not cry.
You'd better not lose. You'd better not lose. بهتر است که نبازی.
You'd better not lose.
Thank you so much. Bye.